If you are broke right now, listen carefully. This is not bad luck. And it is not because life is unfair. It is because of your habits. Yes, your daily money habits. And today, I will show you 5 mistakes that are keeping you broke. If you fix even one of them, your life can change. Let me ask you something. Have you ever received your salary and felt happy? But after 1 or 2 days, the money is gone. You don't even know how it happened. Bills, food, transport, data, everything just takes your money. And before the month ends, you are already broke again. If this sounds like you, keep watching. Mistake number 1. You do not track your money. You spend, but you do not check where your money goes. You just pay for things without thinking. Small spending becomes big money. Before you know it, your account is empty. Listen carefully. If you do not track your money, you cannot control your money. And if you cannot control it, you will always be broke. Mistake number 2. Lifestyle inflation. This one is very common. The moment you earn more money, you start spending more money. You upgrade your phone. You eat out more. You buy expensive things just to feel good. But here is the truth. More money does not mean more wealth. If your spending increases at the same level as your income, you will still be broke. Mistake number 3. You only have one source of income. This is very risky, very dangerous, because if that one income stops, your life will stop. No backup, no support, nothing. Rich people understand this. That is why they build multiple income streams, but poor people depend on one salary, and that is why they struggle. Mistake number 4. Impulse spending. This means you buy things without planning. You see something online. You buy it. You feel bored. You spend money. You feel sad. You spend money. You feel happy. You still spend money. Listen. Spending based on emotions is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Mistake number 5. You do not understand money. Nobody taught you. School did not teach you. And you did not learn it yourself. So you keep repeating the same mistakes, year after year. Listen carefully. If you do not learn how money works, money will always control you. Now let me be honest with you. If you continue like this, nothing will change. Next year, you will still be in the same position. Same stress, same struggle, same empty account. And the painful part is you will think it is normal. But it is not normal. Now here is the good news. You can fix this. Start small. Track your money. Write down everything you spend. Control your lifestyle. Do not increase your spending too fast. Find ways to earn extra income, even if it is small. And most importantly, start learning about money. Every single day. Your life will not change overnight. But your direction can change today. And once your direction changes, your future will change. So ask yourself, will you continue like this, or will you finally take control? The choice is yours.